Welcome to this hands-on exercise, where we will apply one-hot encoding to categorical data using scikit-learn, an essential pre-processing step in many machine learning workflows. We'll begin by setting up the sample dataset. This dataset contains basic customer information such as customer ID, gender, region, product category, and the amount spent. It includes both categorical and numerical values, making it ideal for demonstrating how one-hot encoding works. Let's run the first code block. You can now see the dataset displayed on the screen. Next, we'll identify the categorical columns, the fields that need to be encoded because machine learning models typically require numeric inputs. Now, let's apply the One-Hot Encoder and run the fit and transform operations. This code performs the complete one-hot encoding process on the selected categorical columns. It converts each unique category into its own binary feature, retrieves the new encoded column names, and wraps everything into a clean data frame for easy viewing and downstream analysis. Let's run it. As you can see, the output displays the encoded values for gender, region, and product category. Next, we'll merge these encoded columns back with the original data frame. After running the code, you can observe that the one-hot encoded features are now combined with the rest of the dataset. In many machine learning workflows, especially when using linear models or logistic regression, you may want to drop one category per feature during one-hot encoding. This avoids multicollinearity, also known as the dummy variable trap, where redundant features can destabilize the model. This version of the code performs one-hot encoding while dropping the first category from each feature. It then merges the encoded output with the numeric columns to create a final modeling data frame. Let's run it. You'll notice that the first category from each feature has now been removed from the encoded output. Finally, we'll look at how to perform all of this using the pipeline approach, which is the recommended method in modern machine learning workflows. This pipeline creates a clean and repeatable process that includes pre-processing and model training. It uses a column transformer to one-hot encode the categorical columns, scale the numerical columns, and then fits a logistic regression model, all within a single unified workflow. This ensures that your transformations and modeling steps stay consistent, organized, and production-ready.